see right down here.
Here's the new Duramax we're working on. Lb7 Duramax. Change of plans, not taking the engine out and putting it in a different truck. We're fixing this one up completely. 5-inch exhaust. All the performance upgrades. 100 horsepower tune. With the EFI live tuner. Bodywork, paint, bumpers, lights, fluids, probably back brakes, and the paint in the frame as well. Rockers. The back doors are stuck right now. The latches at the bottom get rusty. New interior too. It's kind of stinky and dirty.